Hey, welcome back guys, and today in this video I am going to share the list of best free meditation apps for your Android phone. So if you are looking for the same, then watch this video till the end. First on our device is Insight Timer, the best UI from as of now. You will get different things to learn in meditation. Also, you can check out the various meditation tips with visuals. Here you can set the timer. In My Library section, you can see the bookmarks, playlists, journal, and challenges. Here you can search the topics like meditation, breath work, sleep, yoga, and much more. In community portion, here you can add friends, see groups, and events. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Second on our device is Smiling Mind. In this, after 10 days you can see that you begin to improve. You will get decent programs to make a lot of difference in you. Here you can explore the programs by categories like adult, kids, youth, families, and few more. You can see your favorite ones here. In more section, you can set the reminder, enables the well-being check-in, display preferences, and so on. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Third one is Healthy Minds. It will teach you meditation in a stepwise way for deep effects. You should not skip anyone. The teaching way is too good. Here you can explore some guides. Also, you can make the donation if you want. In profile, you can see your date of session and distracts. And in settings, you can manage the notifications and edit the name. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Hey wait, before moving forward, please like this video because your likes motivate me to create more amazing content just like this. Fourth on our device is UCLA Mindful. Simple to take in use. You will get video lectures for deep understanding of the topics. Here you will get basic meditation, wellness meditations, and so on. Also you can do meditation by set the timer. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. Last one is Mindfulness Coach. The layout is pretty simple and the presentation is also good. It will surely help you in meditation. Also, you can do practice. Here you can track your progress and set the goals. You can build some expertise from here. So if you like it, then check out the link in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also hit the subscribe button with the notification bell icon to never miss any future video from my side. Thank you.